Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Now you all know I love the Feels Like Frost designer series paper, don't you? To me, let's bring this up just a little bit. This is probably the most beautiful paper there is. I mean, you could just frame these as is and it would make perfect gifts. Well, the other day I was playing around and I had one of them. The backside is white and silver metallic, and I had one sitting out and I dropped my saffron spot on it and I tried to wipe it up, and well, it wiped really good off the silver, but it didn't wipe off the white. So I thought we could do some stuff. So I've made cards with it. See? And I'm going to show you just what to do. And the hard part is figuring out which side you really want to use. Now, I was just using all of these and making cards out of them, but now I'm back to deciding, oh, do I want to color the back or do I want to do that? So you're just going to need your back side, the silver foil side, an ink dauber, and whatever ink or re-inker you want. I'm doing Real Red with this. And you want to go off. Now you can see where there's ink on the silver, but I'll show you what to do here in a minute. And you can do it any color. You can do it really deep, or you can just do it a light color, or you can do it like an antiquing color where some of it's dark, some of it's light. I like to go in circles, so I know it's getting there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take some cotton, some rag, some toilet paper, some Kleenex, whatever, and you're going to ball it up, and then you're going to just go over it, and you're going to take that other color off of that silver. I'll tell you, probably the cotton or the Kleenex works better than toilet paper, but our toilet paper is RV toilet paper, so it's kind of and there you go. Now it's silver and red instead of silver and white. And you could cut this again and put it as a background piece, or just cut it in different spots and do like a one sheet wonder, or you can flip it over and use that side. Anyhow, remember, follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to buy this is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.